Hi guys, today we're gonna make some
new slime.
Yeah, we're gonna also make some
with
mix
with eye blush
and some lipsticks here
and activator.
And so we're gonna make some makeup, our mom's makeup in here. I hope she doesn't mind. But so let's start.
Yeah.
First, let's start with the glue.
Why did you don't give me some glue?
Be patient. Be patient.
First board, second board. Oh, finally I'm safe.
I'm just gonna make a small one. So.
Check.
Okay, say stop when I'm finished. Stop.
Here we go.
Say stop.
Stop.
That's enough for
Okay.
you. That's enough. So next, we're gonna add some.
Joanne.
I could choose the gold.
Okay. I'm gonna choose the blue because I like blue. Oh, so let's open it.
Oh, cool.
See?
Oh my God. Do we have to put Mom's makeover?
Actually, this is my makeup.
My
We have to put the whole
goodness.
thing? Mom, we have to put the whole thing, right?
You could.
Okay then.
I can put the whole thing.
I already put the whole thing in here. Almost the whole thing. Oh my God, look at that color.
It's almost gonna fall.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Oh my gosh, look at this color. I think we need some water for this because last time I didn't add the water. Anyways,
I call it dirt. Mine is dirty.
mine is like sky blue.
Mine looks like mud.
You can call that muddy madness.
Muddy man.
Or milkshake madness.
I need to add more.
No, I want this one. It's nice. Like this.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, woman.
I'm just gonna use the other side because this side is dirty. Oh, nice. It's all gone. Mom's makeup, it's all gone. So we're gonna mix it. There.
Mine is mixable and it's dirty.
I think we need some spoons because it's more easier next time. Mine is chunky.
Mine is like dirtiest.
Jaden, I think you need to add a little bit of.
2 drops at a time.
There we go, that's better. I'm making big slime. I want to add some decoration to mine.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh
Mine
my.
is looking blue. Still blue.
Yuck. I could try some activator. Oh, dang it.
Okay, one.
It's alive!
Mine is alive already. First we have to stir it a lot.
Oh!
Dean, stir it a lot, then only it will make into slime. And I don't know why I'm adding too much of activator, but eh. I think this is the same one as yesterday. We have to mix it a lot.
I want to try some more of. I want to try this one. Lipstick.
Oh my God. Here it is. I have to knead it up. Need to knead it.
Ah, come on!
What happened? I thought mine was good. Mine was like good.
Mine's sticky.
Look at it. No.
No!
What happened?
Come on.
Hello
guys.
This is part 2 because
Our slime is dirty.
but now my slime is good.
My slime is bad.
My slime is like this color,
Save me.
grayish color.
Save me in 20 seconds. 20, 19,
Wait, James.
18, 17, 16. You need a cup. You need a cup, sis. We need an
Jaden, can you put some activator
activator, okay?
on here? Quickly put some activator. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Jaden. That's enough.
I can put much of
Coming
an
off.
activator.
Coming up, yes, this is like yesterday though, but
Yes.
without my brother. Turning into slime, finally!
I'm gonna put so much.
Mine is not turning out good. Okay, what is it? That's enough activator, that's too much of activator. Yours is gonna be all watery then. Oh my god. Ew.
Mine's like dirty.
Okay, we'll be back to you in 3, 2, 1. Okay, never mind. Mine is not too stretchy, but you can poke it. This is putty slime.
Make
I
a
made
direction
putty slime.
below to when we're in the final round, right? Special slime. Mine's like meat. See? Inside there's like radish.
Hi guys.
Our
I made
slime
a
is-
slime.
We're in the final part, guys.
Mine is like almost like putty slime. Jaden's is putty.
It's like poo.
Mine.
Mine
I'm
looks
gonna
like
name the slime Black Darkness.
mine is meat. I'll call it meat steak because it has like red and purple blood.
Mine is like this, the cracks, like this, and it's so metallic. It's metallic slime.
When I drop and the video channel spot, when I drop it, it feels like it's bouncing.
Mine is bouncy.
Mine's not.
So guys, we're gonna show you all the slimes that we bought, but mostly most of the slimes. But so yeah, we're gonna put these slimes away and get the new ones.